Good day, dear pupils. Let's start our lesson. Today's theme is Amazing Places. Learning objectives. Respect differing points of view. Develop intercultural awareness through reading and discussion. Get the new words and listen to me, please. Places, орындар. Holiday activities, мерекелік іс-шаралар. Accommodation, орналастыру. Getting around, айналасында жүру. Holiday situation, демалыс жағдайы. City life, қала тіршілігі. Country life, ел тіршілігі. Look at the about information. Hotel Kazakhstan, the symbol of Almaty. Hotel Kazakhstan, the third tallest building in the city of Almaty. It is 102 meters with 26 floors. It is situated in the southern center of Almaty. Is located on Dostok Avenue, a major road in the east part of the city, which runs all the way from Meadow to Panfilov Park, in the north part of town. It is constructed to stand earthquake that measures 9 on the Richter scale. It is famous landmark all over Almaty and serves as a symbol of the city. It is also the 8th tallest building in Kazakhstan. The next, the greenest island on the planet. Listen to me. Hawaii was not always a green sunny paradise. These islands were born in fire. A chain of volcanoes came up from the deep water in the Pacific Ocean. Now, millions of years later, we can see the upper part of the 132 Hawaiian islands. One or two of the volcanoes are active. On Hawaii, the largest and the youngest island, the volcano often sends hot red ash into the sky. People from many nations came to live in Hawaii. The newcomers brought new plants and animals. Foreign plants and animals have changed Hawaii little by little. Many of Hawaii's smaller islands are too small for people. They give visitors are few, and many of birds are not afraid of people. Complete the adverts. Use the words in the lists. Use words meet, stay, local. The first, Hawaii, the greenest island on the planet. Islands are famous for their beauty. It's a wonderful place to visit. The second, Hotel Kazakhstan, the symbol of Almaty. Shop, explore, enjoy. I'll give you for writing only 3 minutes. Nowhere the world is more relaxing than Sweden's 3 hotel resort. Word lists: join, experience, sleep. Then accommodation, Sandy, home. Okay, I think you are finished this exercise. Open your vocabulary copybook and write today's new vocabularies. Home task. Write an advert about a place in your country. Lesson is over. Goodbye, pupils.